G'day and welcome back to Pacific Northwest Explored. In this episode we're going to show you our mini keg beer tap, removable for your RV or camper, and our Jetboil pull-out stove that we made. Let's take a look at the custom beer tap I've made. Here's a bunch of the companies and parts that I used, and I'll have a link in the description as well. Here is another option I'm going to test out. It's from growltap.com, so you can use any growler you want, throw it in the fridge, and then you add your tap and your spout, and we'll use our extension on this, and you just get a CO2 cartridge. This is the location just above the table for the beer tap, so you just simply undo that and you hook your tap up to your mini keg. It's a little hard to do with one hand. There you go. Now we'll just hook up the keg on the inside. Toyota beer. One of a kind. 50 caliber pull tab. Here's the mini keg setup. I just simply throw it in the sink, and then the hose right through the hole in the wall. Keg up, keep it in the fridge wherever you're traveling, and then you don't have to keep coming in and out. You got nitro beer tap. Look at that. Oh yeah. Cheers. Let's move on to the Jetboil stove custom pullout that I've made, but first check out some of these beautiful locations that I've found over my 25-year career working for public agencies in the Pacific Northwest. I'm going to have a membership page soon, so hit that like and subscribe button. As soon as my memberships grow, I will be sharing a lot of these beautiful locations with my group of members. Next up, we'll take a look at the pull-out Jetboil stove. This is also a custom add-on that no other Sunrader has. I added this pull-out Jetboil stove so we could cook outside. And all it needs is the top to it. Keep that right here on my outdoor kitchen set. It just folds down. Slip that on. Make sure your propane's on. And you got your electric start here. There you go. Jetboil stove outside for your bacon, your coffee. That's all totally custom. This will give you an idea of how I built this. I used a Jetboil Halfgen stove and a fast food serving tray and some diamond plates. So basically I just cut it out. You're also going to have to cut a big hole in the side of your RV, but not to worry, it's all going to work out in the end. I used a used door from West Coast Recycling and Sales, so look up some RV recycle centers and you'll find some good deals. Here's a look at the inside, right on top of the water tank. I had just enough room to squeeze in the stove. I did, as you notice here, had to reroute the plumbing, but that's pretty easy using the Quick Connect PEX connectors that we have these days. Here's the final product once again. It's a great little addition to this RV, and it's just great being able to cook outside. I'm going to leave you a link to the full walkthrough of the Sunrader here at the end of this video, so enjoy that. Thanks for watching. See you next time.